What makes someone an engineer? Do you think you might be an engineer?
Hang on, rewind. What is an engineer?
Engineers are people like you and me. They figure out how to make things to solve problems. There are a lot of different types of engineers who focus on different kinds of problems. For example, engineers develop the packaging to keep your food fresh, created fun toys and rides to stop you from getting bored, and design chairs to sit on. Even though they work on different problems, engineers do have some things in common. Let's find out more about what engineers do. I wonder what Nikki's up to.
I'm solving a problem. I want to make a tower to hold my favorite stuffed animal. When I'm engineering, things don't always go the way I planned. Sometimes things fall apart or break or just don't work. When that happens, it's okay, because I know I can make my design better, and I keep trying.
Has that ever happened to you? What do you do when something doesn't work very well? What else makes you an engineer? Let's check in with Brianne.
My toy is stuck, and I'm engineering a design to get it down safely. When solving problems, I try different solutions. There isn't just one right way to do it. Lots of things might do the trick. Sometimes I get new ideas from books, websites, or other people.
Let's think. When designing solutions, do you ever explore different options? What else makes you an engineer? I wonder what Jahaziel is doing.
I'm starting to solve my problem. And just like an engineer, I break the problem down into small parts. Then I try to solve one part of the problem at a time. I want to build something that can carry a weight across the room. But I'm starting with just making wheels that will roll. Once the wheels work, I can move on to another part.
What about you? Have you broken a problem down into smaller parts? We've learned a lot about how engineers solve problems. They improve upon failed designs, create and test different solutions, and break problems down into smaller parts. These are things that all engineers do. Try these strategies, and you'll be thinking like an engineer too.